In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eBay listings to a spreadsheet. If you want a quick way to export your current eBay inventory for tracking, editing, or record keeping, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. We'll be using eBay's built-in reporting and download tools to generate a file you can open in a spreadsheet program later. To get started, sign into your eBay account and head to the main seller area. From there, click on Sell. This takes you into the seller dashboard, where you can manage listings, orders, and account activity. Once you're in the selling section, look for the reports area in the navigation. Move your cursor over reports to reveal the available options. This menu gives you access to downloadable data and other useful seller reporting tools. From the reports menu, click on downloads. That will open the reports download page, where you can create and access export files for different parts of your seller account. On the downloads page, click Download Report. This starts the setup for a new report, and from here, you'll choose exactly what kind of data you want eBay to export for you. Next, click on the source field. This is where you decide which category of account data you want the report to pull from. In the source options, select listings. That tells eBay you want information related to your product listings rather than orders, payments, or other report types. After that, click on the type field. This setting controls the specific kind of listings report you want to generate. From the available choices, select all active listings. This option is useful when you want a spreadsheet containing the listings that are currently live in your eBay store or seller account. Once those selections are in place, click Download. eBay will begin generating the report for your active listings. Depending on the number of listings in your account, it may take a moment for the file to be prepared. If you don't see it instantly, give it a little time and check the downloads area again. After the file is ready, you can open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet tool to review, sort, and organize your listing data. This can be especially helpful if you need to audit inventory, compare prices, or keep a backup of your active listings. And that's how to download eBay listings to a spreadsheet. Once you've done it one time, it becomes a fast and reliable way to pull your active listing data whenever you need it.